Hello everybody. We're going to take a look at some basics in Inkscape today. This is our Inkscape icon. We're going to go ahead and open up a new project, and we're going to look at simply how to change the project size whenever we're in Inkscape. When you first open up a new document, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. This black rectangle that we're seeing isn't anything that was drawn on there. This is simply showing us what our workspace should be. A lot of times people will be zoomed way out on this, and they're thinking that their project is really small, or they're zoomed really in and thinking that their project is really large. The zoom doesn't change the size of the page at all. It just changes sort of your perspective of how you're looking at it. So in order to actually change our project size, we need our page on Inkscape to match what our finished output is going to be, what our finished project, whether it's paper, wood, plastic, whatever we're making. We need this size to match our workpiece size. To do that, we come up to the File menu, click on Document Properties, and we're going to get this window here. We've got a bunch of different numbers here and some different units. The only thing we really need to worry about is our number in the custom size area and what units we're working in. If you're comfortable working with metric numbers, that might be fine. You can go in and type whatever you want in these boxes and continue on. For the most part, we like to work in inches, and we're going to make sure that we change our units before we change our numbers in these boxes. Otherwise, we're going to end up with a number different than what we wanted. If I wanted to make my page size 12 inches by 12 inches, for instance, and I type in 12 by 12, I've got a 12 by 12 square down here, but it's 12 by 12 millimeters. Now if I go over and change my box from millimeters to inches, my units changed, but my sizes aren't going to automatically adjust. It's not going to regenerate to still say 12 by 12 inches, so we'll have to go in and do that again. With that in mind, we want to make sure that we adjust our units first and then change the numbers in our width and height for our project. If your project that you were working with was going to be something larger, if it was 18 by 24, for instance, you would type in 18 by 24 and your page is going to adjust accordingly. I usually also go ahead and change our display units here to inches also, and by doing that we can see right up here that our default units as we're working is now going to be in inches, and there's no OK box or accept or anything like that. We just go ahead and click the X once we're done adjusting those sizes, and we'll have a page of whatever size we need.